Now, we'll look at specific tips for lessons 2 and 3. These lessons are very similar to Lesson 1, working with blend phonics, syllable division exercises, and the same games. But the concepts get a bit more complex. Many of the students have never learned about open vowel syllable words and will have a tough time with them at first. The first thing covered is silent E words. Most students have learned about this, but a common mistake is to say the short vowel instead of the long vowel. For example, to read the word cape as cap. If they make that mistake, write cap in the margin next to the long vowel words, then write cape under cap, also in the margin. Say cap ends in a consonant and has a short vowel sound. Cape has a silent E, which makes the vowel long. It says its name. Go back and forth between the two words a few times, then move on. You can also do this with nonsense words. For example, lat, late, lat, going back and forth between the words and explaining the reason why. And again, the E makes the vowel long, saying its name, and syllables ending in a consonant are short. Syllable Division Exercise 3 is usually a bit tougher for the students, even many older students, because they have not done a lot of work with two-syllable long vowel words. Check their division closely before moving around and helping students sound out the words. Make sure they are dividing before the consonant. If they make a mistake and say the short vowel sound, for example, they say dinner instead of diner, write out dinner on the side and show it dividing between two consonants to be short. Explain that two consonants will divide between, making the vowel short, while one consonant will usually divide before the consonant, making the vowel long and saying its name. Syllable Division Exercise 4 can also be tough, even for students who did well on Syllable Division Exercise 3. The mixing of long and short vowels makes it harder. Work carefully between the group of words, contrasting and showing the difference between words like dinner and diner. Make sure the students are dividing them correctly before allowing them to finish the exercise. At the end of Lesson 2, play the phonics concentration game with game cards up to Blend Phonics Unit 20. Syllable Division Exercise 5 should be easy for most students, although some may need help with the two-letter vowel teams. If so, encourage them to find the vowel teams on their one-page vowel and consonant chart and help them locate them if they have trouble. At the end of Lesson 3, play the phonics concentration game with game cards up to Blend Phonics Unit 27. Encourage students not to miss classes. If they do miss a class or are going to, encourage them to watch the video for the lesson online at the YouTube channel DPhonics page. Do a quick review with a dedicated volunteer for the first few minutes of the first few exercises. Then catch up the first few exercises quickly. Only read 2 words from each Blend Phonics unit for review, but do at least 4 words of each syllable division exercise. Try to do this in the first few minutes before class starts if the student who missed a lesson comes early. Again, encourage full attendance, but sometimes things do come up. You can also do a bit of makeup work during the break or at the end during the games. Remember, during the game time, have a few volunteers work with students and do the nonsense word fluency timings. They are important for progress and also good for morale as the students see their reading speed and accuracy increase over time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment, and I'll include answers in How to Teach Number 10.